Suburban Hunt 365, turkey hunt again, out here, field 10 at the lease land. A little cool this morning, we got about 50-degree weather. I did hear some gobbling about where I'm sitting, about 11 o'clock. Out here this morning by myself, was able to not have the work day, did not have to work. But it's a great day if you don't have to work. It's even a better day if you get to hunt or fish. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm scared to get too loud. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I got a decoy set up. And we're going to sit here on this beautiful day. We're going to give what the Almighty gave us. And hope that something good comes out of it. Being here and being blessed is the best thing to begin with. So, fingers crossed. Knocked his ass out. Well, folks, that happened very fast. A little too fast. This just happened so fast. He just walked right in the field to my right. Made no sound whatsoever. Oh man, I'm kind of shaking up here. Alright, let's do it. Suburban Hunt 365 just did it, man. It's full of film action. But he snuck in on the field to me over here to the right. Fast. Happened fast.